Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making the beat that we just heard on the intro. Before we get into that, I've got a few clips of some sounds that I'm going to be doing videos on in the future. Beat making, mixing vocals, mixing beats. So yeah, if you stay tuned, we're going to get into some things in the future throughout next year, 2022. So hit the subscribe button. So here's the first thing. This is a beat that came off the back of the video we're making today. And if you like this sound, then I've got a treat for you at the end of this video. And this is just playing with some loops, mixing loops with instruments and just blending them in.
Yeah.
So this is a good friend of mine. And a very talented artist.
What you saying, Lucas? This is for all my soldiers that have been through this struggle. Cause you know what? It's not easy, is it?
So we'll be remaking that beat at some point. So let's get into this beat, shall we? I'm basically just gonna draw a simple pattern in, double it over, and then I'm gonna build the drums around that. Whether or not I leave it in, that's a different thing. So I'm basically just gonna put the drums together rather than keep playing them. I'll wait till they're done and then let you hear them. So I just search through different samples until I find the right ones, and then put them in the right places, find the right sequences, till they go together. So I want to thicken up this kick a little bit, so I'm going to boost and cut at 30 Hz, do that old trick, and then I want to soften up this hi-hat using this. So I find this pad loop and I want to put it into a drum rack and just play something in with it. I found this other sound. It's a nice sound. I like it. I'm going to put something down with this. Got these like plucks, they're like little tiny pad plucks or stabs. Just put them in. Yeah, I put a few more of them little plucks in between them two notes that I just put in. Liven it up a little bit, make it a bit more busy. And now I'll copy it over onto another instrument just to thicken it up a bit, and just add some more depth in there. And I find this sound, so I had to put something in with this because man's got skill. Okay, so I'm going a bit crazy with this beat. Throwing everything in the kitchen sink at this beat. Let's lay something with this shit. Yeah, I like this bell. It's got some nice transients. I'm gonna put something in with this shit. bit carried away with that one. I won't put it all in. I've got this other sound. It's a sweet psychedelic kind of sound. I think it will sit in there nice. Just turn these tracks on and off and just start finding my intro, my verses, my bridges and all that kind of. I can just start building up, breaking it down and taking bits out. I just want to arrange my scenes up. So I'm going to hold my scene and click the tab key, drag it across the arrangement view. While making this session, I did come up with some other sounds on these drums, and it's got a different feel to it. So I'll play that out after this beat and I'll let it just play through. That's the ending of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I got more videos coming soon, so keep an eye out. I wish you all the best. Take good care. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the beat.